Yeah. There was an event for 30 years. As well, I think on the trade agreement we're very, very close. We had some communication. It was a great program.
So it went well. It was good. It was a good meeting.
Go around and take pictures in the hallway as they advance.
Истина. Возит вистосу низько?
It's my lesson in life to always have a carry. So just so you know, this is the last time I was in.
Who was the meeting with?
Police. Hopefully solid sometime at the end of June, beginning of July. But good morning. Thank you very much. Very good to see you.